How to connect the Wi-Fi bridge to the controller. In the box, you'll receive the Twinkly Pro Wi-Fi Bridge, as well as the Ethernet cable extender. You'll also need the Ethernet controller and power supply, Twinkly Pro light strings, and for extender mode, a Wi-Fi or internet router. The installation process. Step 1. Connect to the Ethernet controller. With the Wi-Fi bridge available, take the Ethernet cable extender, simply unscrew the main collar, remove the cable gland collar, as well as the blue insert, which is a gasket. Feed the cable gland collar through the Ethernet cable, then attach the gland and then the main collar back around the Ethernet cable in the reverse order. Simply insert the blue gasket into the collar and then firmly press the Ethernet connection into the receptacle, then tightening down the main collar the whole way to ensure a watertight fit, and then finally the cable gland collar around the end to button it up nice and tight. Now you are ready for an outdoor installation. Step 2. Turn on the controller. Simply plug in the power cord into an outlet. You will see your Twinkly Pro strings illuminate and start to react. On the face of the controller, you will see 2 RGB LEDs that are flashing. We want you to press the button until you see one of the lights go into a slow red blinking pattern. This has put the controller into PoE or Power over Ethernet mode. This is now powering your Wi-Fi bridge. The blue blinking dot shows your network activity. Step 3. Setting up from access point to extender mode. Looking at your status LEDs, you're going to see the red blinking light, which is PoE, and then the blue blinking light, which is our network indication. And right now we are talking directly to the Wi-Fi bridge, and we want to set it so that we can talk directly to the router being an extension of. So you're going to grab your iPhone and you're going to look for the Wi-Fi GL-AR150 and then a bunch of numbers. You're going to connect to that and the password is good life. You're going to then open up a web browser and type in these digits 192.168.8.1 and that is the address of the Wi-Fi bridge. You're going to open the menu. And under More Settings, select the network mode. You will select Extender and then press Next. Select your network and insert your password. This means the router, for example in our screen that's sitting there, would be the PD_4G router and then the password that's associated with that router. Generally it's written on it or you may have made one up for yourself. Now the Wi-Fi bridge is connecting directly to the router and becoming an extension of that router, giving you full internet access on your controller, and you are all set up and ready to go. Now it's time to connect and configure the Twinkly app.